Hey everybody, it's Steven Ostrand. I'm at Greasy Fingers Labs, and today we're going to look at two identical guitars, but with different pickups. The one I'm holding right now has Seymour Duncan Antiquity Texas Hot Rods. Very nice pickup, and I wanted to show a couple of the characteristics of the revolutionary passive electronics and the controls. There's all kinds of tonality that it's capable. Anyway, so this position here is set up actually like a humbucker, but this knob here actually controls the volume of the bridge pickup in or out of phase, so you can hear the sound that it would make. And also in the middle position it turns off the bridge, so you actually have a kill switch capability, which you can also achieve by using the volume knob, which takes it in and out of phase. And one of the aspects of Pete's passive electronics is he uses a coil of the unused pickup to impart more tonality to the setup, and it also brings in and out the bridge position. So in this position, let's see, if you turn, this is the master volume, but if you turn it up on the top, it brings in and tunes the two pickups with this the bridge, or the neck pickup. So this imparts much more bass, and again, just lots of tonal capabilities. And this, all these tones were achieved in the 2 position. So now I'm going to pick up the other guitar and show you the difference in tone with the pickups. And again, this is a identical setup. Again, the number 2 setting, you can tell immediately the difference in the tone. Oh, what happened here? Tell the difference the pickups have. And we can add in the neck pickup. These are EMG 7K pickups, custom wound for Greasy Fingers. They're not on the market right now, but I'm sure if you let EMG know you're interested, I'm sure they would consider making them for you. But right now, it is Greasy Fingers exclusive. These are very powerful and very clear pickups. And one of the aspects we didn't talk about on the other pickup is the tone knob on these guitars actually has a dynamic overdrive. You can start to dial in a little bit of distortion to a fair amount. And what this is actually doing, it combines all the pickups and results in a very strong signal. Sometimes you may find that the bass response is so powerful you need to back the bass off on your amp a little bit, but it is very satisfying. I'm going to turn the distortion off now. Again, the tone knobs on these revolutionary passive electronics Stratocasters, it's a master tone on a traditional Strat. However, it has a detent in the middle, so it operates as a normal tone control on all pickups. But after the detent, you can dial in the dynamic distortion. And I'm going to set it to a clean sound for right now. And again, one of my favorite features about this is that the dial brings in the in and out of phase. So this is out of phase. Here's in phase. So this is basically a volume knob just for the bridge position. This allows you to add the bridge position in any pickup selection. So if you want the neck position to add the bridge, you can do that. You can get any combination of pickups. And the volume knob also has a detent. Operates as a master volume in any position up to the detent. But after that, you get a phasing effect. And this is all so far without the addition of the bridge pickup. So the bridge volume in the middle position is actually out. But when you start to add it in, you can add out of phase bridge or in phase bridge. In this position, it's set up more like a humbucker. With these two pickups together, but again, you can add or subtract the bridge in and out of phase. And then here's the same sound with some distortion added. Pick up the other guitar again, just to get a comparison. Let's put this down here. Again, the other guitar was the pickups, the same basic electronic connections, but the pickups are what really impart the most of the tonal changes. Again, this is the Seymour Duncan Antiquity Texas Hot Rods. So, in the same position, let's see if I can put that just the same as what we had just a minute ago. So this is, takes a little getting used to, but after you're familiar with the setups, it's very simple. and also very minute changes in the controls result in a lot of sound change. So all in all, these guitars with the revolutionary electronics with no batteries are just a tone machine. So thanks for tuning in, and if you got any questions, maybe you could give Greasy Fingers a call or a text or whatever. I'll see you.